Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to increase swap memory on Linux. So, in order to do it we have to go into terminal, so I will press on terminal, I will press on show apps and open the terminal right there. And first of all, I will show you how to check if you have a swap created already. So in order to basically display your current swap, you have two options: free -h or swap on -show. As you can see, I have a swap file with a size of 2 GB. I will resize that basically to 4 GB, for example. I have it created because I am recording this video straight after the video how to create a swap file. So if you want to, you can go back to it. If you didn't create your swap file before, you have probably 0 right there. So this is only for people who have the swap file created already. So we can now move on to basically resizing that. And how can we do it? Basically by removing that and adding the new swap file. We can do it by typing in sudo swapoff. That basically will turn off our swap, so swap file. Also, it's very important if you have a different name of our swap file, basically different path, you have to type in here your own path, because it might not work. Basically you have to type in the thing that you have right there, right here. So it's very important. And we have to, of course, remove that swap file. So swap file, right, like this. We have to press enter. And right now we can create our bigger swap file. We have to type in sudo fall, basically fallocate. So it's something like this, -l. And right now we have to choose the size of our swap file. So I will choose 4 GB and I will name that again swap file. Right now we have to, it's very important to change the permissions to basically 600, because we have to change permissions basically like this: sudo chmod 600. As I said before, only administrator should have the permissions to read and write. The group and the others should have no permissions. So we have to do it like this, and for our swap file, and we have to press enter. We can check that by typing in sudo -lh and swap file. As you can see, only read and write for administrator, and for the rest there is no permissions. So it is working. And as you can see, also it is 4 GB, so it also worked. This comment created the 4 GB. And right now we have to format our swap file. So mkswap, basically from a normal file to a swap file, and swap file like this. As you can see, setting up swap space size 4 GB, and we have to activate that by typing in swap on and swap file. And right now we can again use this comment from above, swap free -h or swap on -show. And as you can see, here we have 4 GB and here we have 4 GB. And it's very important to say that if we will leave it like this, our swap file basically will not be on after the reboot, because we will have to type this comment again and again every single reboot of our system. How can we basically edit that? I showed it how to do it in the video how to create a snap file on Linux. We have to basically edit the etc and fstab file by nano comment, of course. And at the end of this file we have to add something like this: /swap file non-swap fw 0 and 0. That's very important, because with it, after the reboot, your swap file will be basically on automatically. I will maybe not restart my computer right now, because I restarted in the video how to create a swap file, so you can go back and check if you want to. But it is basically on this video. This is how you can basically resize your swap file on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.